Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, men and women of goodwill. My name again still remains Mother Oromijus Mouth, known as the Great Seer or the Sea of the Seer. Sure, you know if you see my face, but you can hear my voice anywhere that you are. I am that hungry individual that beg money always, at least to sustain myself. Makago Egbo. On a good morning. Please share this very program across every other platforms. Hit the like button and do well to subscribe to this very platform, Remigius TV, if you have never subscribed. Or you can help you also. And if you wish to support this very platform, you can do it on Remigius TV through Super Chat. Or you can help you also, please. Yesterday, I saw Sunny Akpakarawa, the one that you people call is he deputy or information minister. The information that he gave you people is that Emmanuel Oromijus is hungry. Please, Sonny, tag me anytime you post the video. At least I will help you people to post it on my platform. Maybe my helper will come one day. In Egente, anytime you people post my video, tag me. At least you can see that I'm helping you people on my Twitter. It is there. So if you people post bam, I copy it to my Twitter. At least I am better to seek for help. At least you see me crying over there. It is a testament that I have suffered in this very struggle. In the struggle where I came rich, I became poor. Where I ran away for my own life, for the safety of my own head. I have to be dependent on people. I don't hide my own. I say it always. So it is good. In the same way they said, oh, Emmanuel Oromijus is enjoying criminal. They still publish my voice where I am crying, saying what I am facing in the struggle. If I'm not in the struggle, will I face it? But Sonny, you and your brother, it is very good that I'm getting to know that Holy Ghost is your biological brother. It is a welcome development. You and your brother scam our people in being in the bush. You claim to be Commander Royce. Holy Ghost claimed to be Commander inside bush. The owner of the land to know himself. We have come. Your brother is growing head to head. Ever since I scammed him, in the front of camera. Ever since I exposed his scam, ever since I scammed him, ever since I exposed him, he is afraid to come to camera. He disappeared for many days and now resurfaced, but I can see that all the is. But what I am begging the ancestors of the land, do not kill him. At least I would want to be seeing him to laugh. Don't harm him, please. Mmụọ ọbụla m na-efe. Biko ọ bụrụ na o nwere ebe nsi wee kwuo kwulo ka unu jide ma ọ bụ onwe uru a, don't harm him because I'm seeing it in his face. Mmụọ ji ya. Don't kill him. Metụnụ ya ka ọ tatụ obere ahụhụ hụ ka ọ na-adị, but don't harm him. Don't. Please. I would love to see him often and on. Igwe ma na-akwa elu n'igbu mmadụ. No matter whom you are. Ị na-aghọta igwe ma anaghị elu n'igbu mmadụ. Ana m ewekwa iwe too much. Ana m eji iwe kwuo some certain things. Mana ihe m na-ayọ in order to control myself. Since I regretted igbu mmadụ iyi. Onye ọzọ m boro iyi a bụ Holy Ghost. Ana m like igbu mmadụ iyi. Mpụ gị iyi ọ ya ejide gị. Mma ndozi na-afịa ahụ. Mmụọ ọbụla na-emebi emebi ahapụ edozi. Itosiri ịghọta. Mmụọ ọbụla na-eme mmebi aha edozi. Mmebi ya bụkwa very fast. Kpamdim ọ na-akwa edozi. I am asking them now to withdraw to me. don't harm me. Una harm on ya. Lodge, una harm kwana. Beacon on Nayo. It is better that I beg than seeing you and Holy Ghost coming Biafra people. You are online Commander Royce. Holy Ghost, who is your brother, biological brother, is online. He will go to nearby bush and claim that he is inside bush. Children will be making noise at his back. In the 419. It is very good. Ever since then, he's saying, oh, you own 3,000. I thought you people said that somebody is paying me 150 or 200. And now you are saying, oh, you are earning 3,000 on YouTube, $3,000, and you are not contributing. I don't have to put a disclaimer to all of that. I claim it. Because you don't, even if you listen to the voice, but due to propaganda held you, you do not listen to the voice very deep and understand what I was saying in that voice. Because you people, all of you, want to do propaganda. I used to see them, 3,000 every month. Oh, like issue every information minister. Even the voice that you're listening to, you do not understand the voice. You come on social media to disgrace yourself. You listen to the voice, you publish the voice, but you do not understand that voice. You come to social media to disgrace yourself. You are welcome. Now you said, I am not sowing to you, Oge Ngwere, and your criminal enterprise. Even in Ghana, Bosso says, I should sow. I am becoming poor and poorer. Unnano, 1, 2, 3. Hotel, here and there. Ghana, Holy Ghost was using our Biafra money to erect a house. Or do you people think that I know they receive on the information? Let him come out and deny it. Just to, on camera, and say, the owners of the land, the law itself, we have come. Come where? Come where? Come in the house that you are. Just what he does is to go, immediately he wants to do video. If you go to nearby Mbubo, Kandiba in Akboye, nearby Mbubo, and face the Mbubo, and be doing video. You will hear sometimes if you say, they have come. 419, they have come and children, they play for na back. Those children where they play, no, they see the people where they come. Umugu. These people have scammed Biafra people big time. And it is very good that we all understand. It is very good that we all understand the scam, the deep-rooted scam which you people have involved. Now I want to tell you, Biafra people, is these people, the people that, okay, will give us Biafra, go and look at even their media warriors. When you look at the media warriors of Biafra government in exile, you will see them discussing about the future, what they will do, and what they intend to do. You can never see this individual discussing what they will do or what they intend to do. What they will be discussing is Dr. Ngazi this, Dr. Ngazi that, Dr. Ngazi this, Dr. Ngazi that. I'm not a media warrior under them. I'm not a media warrior under the Biafran government in exile. My own is, as a Biafran citizen, I am a citizen, law-abiding citizen, under the Biafran Republic government in exile, which PM Simon Ekpa leads, which Dr. Ngozi Araboeze acts as surrogate, not somebody who went a year ago to register Biafra government in his own company name, Biafra Republic government in exile. When you know that if you are not sole owner, if it does not belong to you alone, your name is not supposed to be there alone. Now, the only name that is there is Isaiah Anyaogu. the owner of the company. Go and read about the American law. And if you are registering a company who does not belong to you alone, it was registered as a company, a private company. A private company, not even a multinational, because if you said that you are registering it for Biafra Republic government in exile, it is a multinational. But he registered it with his name only as sole owner. And some of his criminals. Do you think that Biafra people are illiterate? Some of his criminals came, look at, we are illiterate. Those idiots. If you want to register a company in your company of origin, you will do this, you will do that. Imagine Sunny, information minister that have never given us information. Information minister that told prime minister that he doesn't know his superior. Is this information minister? Now he has become another information minister to panel beater. Panel beating information minister. Tell us what your panel beating is doing. This is another DOS. DOS that refuse up to today to tell you what they are doing. The next thing that you will see them is they will arrange with the scammer. What are they calling him? Elias. They will arrange for this guy, waiting they call him, Oge Anyaogu Ngwere, to go and snap picture with the American senator, American this, American that. Let me tell you people, the first person to do it, he's not even the first person. But let me tell you people, notable people that have done that. Do you know Tony Nnadi? The time that IPOB is at the peak. Tony Nnadi was even present in the US Congress to snap picture and deceive Biafra people. Ask yourself, where is Tony Nnadi today? If Tony Nnadi did all of those things that he said, that he have conquered Biafra in US Senate, why did he disappear? Why is nobody in US talking about Biafra? Lo and behold, you notice that what Tony Nnadi was doing is game that Nigerian government sent him to do. He is the only person claiming that he have gone to US Senate for Biafra, yet he is walking around in Nigeria. He comes to Nigeria and goes out of Nigeria. He goes to television and grants interview and moves out of Nigeria. Wonderful. What a wonderful freedom fighter. And Mazen Nnamdi Kanu is languishing. If they say, it's because of the arms, what about when nobody is carrying arms? What about that? And yet they detain him. The same thing, Elias, we have seen this table come often and on. They hijacked. They told you people that all the men on the ground follow them. Now, if you go, there is one of their criminals called Okute. The one called Okute, in his write-up yesterday, was saying, we are Fulani people, we are kidnapping people near his own village. And this one is the one who claimed his man on the ground, scamming you people. Broad daylight scam. He was saying, if all of us, all the Igbos should come together, that we will defeat want him. Let go the right up again. Kamaraba, Yana Gobotana, I saw if all the Igbos should come together, they will defeat Nsumban. Let me write it again, read it again. If all the Igbos should come together. Ladies and gentlemen, may I remind you, before the disappearance of PM, any place that the Fulanese kidnap person, PM will immediately mandate people to go there. Ask them, where are they? If they tell you, Dr. Ngasi, ask them, they hijack almost all the men on the ground. Before Dr. Ngozi Arabweze stepped in, the people making U-turn now, and that is the reason why she said everybody will have a tag. Every Biafran will have a tag so that these people will not eat us mugu again. For example, let me finish this one before I give you an example. Okute saw the attack of our people. Instead of him to carry his men collecting money in the name of BDF, embezzling our money in the name of BDF, instead of to call his men and say, let us go for action, he is now calling all the Igbo. May I permit you to look into when the one who called us in the hut started calling the Igbos. I said, these people have failed because they said they own all the Eastern Security Network. IPOB doesn't call anybody then. And they started calling the Igbos to come and help, Igbo governors. You now know that these people are sellouts. Very soon they will tell you, oh, they have given them to the governors for payments. When did Okute begin to call Igbos, come and help us so that we defeat? Is he not the men on the ground? As he claimed, ndị na-eri Biafra people mugu. Is he not the men on the ground? What he have to do is to carry their people for action. But they have refused to do the needful. Now, what Madam Dr. Ngozi Oraboeze, the Deputy Prime Minister of Biafra government in exile, have done is number one, what she has been able to do. Number one is to say that every Biafran military must have a tag. And payment into their monthly salary must go into their accounts so that they don't have any means to betray the struggle. So that they cannot betray the struggle. Every one of them, their money will go into their account so that they will not say, oh, this is the reason why I betrayed the struggle. So that they will not say, this is the reason why I entered into kidnapping because I am volunteering and no money is coming. She said every one of them must have tag. So that the Biafra government will know how many people that are serving. No longer determinant on success or butuzo or those of them claiming to be commanders. They will come to government and tell them, I have 1,000. But in their camp, they have 50. When you give them the money for feeding of 1,000 people, they will even to bring the money for 50 people, they will scam the 50 people. Sometimes they will tell them the money have not arrived. These 50 people will be on hunger. From 1,000 to 50, this is the reality of the scam that they are doing. A commander rightfully told me, this their commander, when they had a problem and started contacting Emmanuel Oremiju's, a commander told me, these people have scammed people to the biggest, and that commander came with his mind. Distribute to those people to go and maintain their men. But lo and behold, these people have no men. They will only go to nearby bush, invite some of their own men, and tell them, oh, we don't want to show you their face. They said that they will not appear on camera. They will teach their own men, say, if we say Ebon, make all of us say Oge, so that they will think that when they hear the voice, they will say, oh, it's plenty. When they say Ebon, you will hear Oge. Oh, and after then, he will give their own small money and use our money to be building house. It gets to a time that commander, during the national district, told every state commander, all of you must come with your men. All of you must come with your men. This is the same thing that pursues caterpillar out. This criminal caterpillar. These people scamming Biafra people up and down. They said, all of you must come with your men. Did you know what this guy did? They refused to show up. Some of them that showed up said that their men said that they are not coming. In this scam, Biafra business. That is the reason why they are mad when Dr. Ngozi Araboeze said, the up will control the men, each and every one of them. They are mad because there is no money paid in for scam. All of them are going up and down, blackmailing it. Oh, it is a very bad, they want to blackmail men on the ground. Oh, there is no men on the ground to be blackmailed. What they are saying that they want to blackmail their pockets so that their pockets wouldn't have enough money to spend. These are all criminals. I'm telling you, to be honest, all criminals. Now, if you look, when it came out that Dr. Ngozi Araboeze, when she said that she once belonged to People's Club, did you know what the POS did? They started sharing it, blackmailing her, sharing her video, saying this. But go and look at all the things coming out against Isaiah Anyaogu. You will never see it in any DOS platform. They are never there to blackmail him. Now ask yourself, if Dr. Ngozi is Nigerian agent, why is DOS afraid of blackmailing Nigerian agents? Why are they blackmailing Nigerian agents and afraid not to blackmail somebody who is not a Nigerian agent? Yes, now, if she is Nigerian agent, why are they blackmailing the same Nigerian agent and then leave someone who is not a Nigerian agent because DOS structure is Nigeria-owned agents? It have come out, time without number. The one called Chike Edozie said they gave the men on the ground for payments. They told all of you, before you had it, that they gave men on the ground for payment. In essence, you need to stand up to be counted. We are the Biafra people. You need to stand up to be counted. You dare not start all this useless scam and expect me to keep quiet. Go and look at them. They will not start a program to tell you what they are doing. What they will start a program to discuss is Dr. Ngozi Araboeze. And there is a lie that the one called Akpakarawa in his program yesterday said. He said that I called men on the ground criminals. I said all the men on the ground claiming to be on internet is a kidnapper and a criminal. Know it again. Anyone claiming to be men on the ground you see on internet is a kidnapper and a criminal. They are scammers. No man on the ground is on the internet. Ask the commanders those days, which time do you have? Do you know camp regulation? Do you know camp regulation? Is it early morning work when they will wake you up with whistle? Pay, then you start. Early morning walk. How many times depending on the camp routine. Then you now gravitate to morning training. After morning training, you sit down, come and eat. After eating, you enter lecture. After morning training, you enter lecture. Because eating is in the afternoon to sustain you. When you eat in the afternoon, no morning food those days. When you eat in the afternoon, no night food. Once you eat in the afternoon, it will sustain you till the next day. If you see activities, over 24 hours activity, so which time do they have? Not only those who never go, no go, no. Which time do they have to be on the internet? Which time? Is it lecture, 2 hours lecture every day? Then, which time do they have? Every of their time in the 24 hours is occupied. Occupied. Which time do they have? These people say, oh, men on the ground, men on the ground, internet men on the ground. We don't talk about internet men on the ground. What we talk about is reality of the day. The reality of the day is we are Biafra people. And you need to stand up to be counted. Because the land of Biafra, you never support all these scammers, all these internet scams that they are doing you in the name of men on the ground. Ask them, information minister without information of what your people are doing for freedom. The one called Isaiah Anyaogu have not even appeared since then for interview. Nke a bụ Tinubu nke Igbo. A na-eme election. Peter Obi na-agagharị everywhere. Eme ihe a. Tinubu, you don't go anywhere. Ask him question. Do you know why he doesn't want to present himself? That guy is an alcoholic. He doesn't control himself. Omego time, mgbe ọ ga-eje ebute ụsọ. And on the office in the Biafra government in exile. And now we move money. Na-eme ịpampa emecha apụtasị m nwere ụra mmadụ isi ụlọ agba. Scammers everywhere. We have come to actualize Biafra, not to scam. Akpọrọ gị iji questionable character, number 1. You are not pure. Questionable character in the sense that you came to Biafra government, you lied to them that your name is Oge Ngwere. Your prime minister was arrested. What he knew you about is Oge Ngwere, not Isaiah Anyaogu. That one apart. You have criminal cases in America, 8 criminal cases. One of them very useless of anyone. This is the person that you want to bring as your leader. Only gara na public webcam na anyụ nwa mere ebe ndị mmadụ nọ. That is one of the crime eji wee detain na America. One of the crime. Ọṅụcha mmanya, go and look there. Ọṅụcha mmanya ọ na-adagharị, drink, always drunk. Is this the person that you want to bring? Then, ebe ọ bụla ahụrụ nwaanyị ahụ ya. Somebody that will disgrace us. Somebody with already criminal intention to register Biafra government as a personal property. As a personal property. Is that not a criminality? I think those in America are just leaving this guy because he ought to be arrested. Once they arrest him, the rest, even Elias will take Benjo, Ndoshi. I am a Manego religious, and I say from me from here, from the temple of the grace here. Good morning.